Hi there. Today, we're going to talk about list views in Salesforce. What are list views in Salesforce? List views in Salesforce are customized views that allow you to display specific records that meet certain criteria. You can create list views to filter and sort data, making it easier to focus on what's important. Why do we use list views? We use list views to quickly find and work with specific sets of records. For example, a sales manager might create a list view to see only active opportunities, while a customer service rep might create a view to track unresolved cases. Real-time example. Let's say you're a sales manager. You need to focus on opportunities that are close to being closed. You can create a list view to only show opportunities where the stage is negotiation or proposal. This helps you focus on deals that need attention right away. With this list view, the sales manager can quickly see which deals are in the final stages, allowing them to focus on closing those opportunities and hitting their sales targets. How to create a list view in Salesforce? Let's create a list view. Navigate to the object where you want to create the view. For this example, we'll create a list view for accounts. Next, click on the gear icon. Choose New List View. Give your list view a name, like Active Customers. Then, decide who can see this list view. You can choose to keep it private or share it with others. Click Save. Choose your filter criteria. This tells Salesforce which records to show in the list view. Click on Add Filters. Select the field Active. Select the operator as equals. Value as Yes. Click Done and save the filter. Navigate to List View Controls. Select fields to display in your list view. Select fields from the available fields and move them to the visible fields. Click Save. For our example, we'll show the account name, owner, active and clean status. Now you'll see your customized list view with just the active customer accounts. And that's it. List views in Salesforce make it easy to find and focus on the data you need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Salesforce guides. See you next time. This is Naveen signing off.